Things regarding the tropics have quieted down, but we still are in hurricane season, at least till the end of November. I'm meteorologist Samantha Moore, one of your 11 Alive storm trackers in the National Hurricane Center, keeping their eyes on this, giving it a 90% chance that it could develop into a tropical cyclone, likely over this weekend. So what they're thinking in terms of the likelihood of where it'll go, heading in our general direction through this weekend as it continues to become better organized. But then we have a frontal system moving through here right now, and that is going to help direct this system on up into the north, which will take it over the cooler waters of the North Atlantic. So at this point, we're not expecting to see this system head in our direction into the long term that would impact the East Coast or the Gulf of Mexico. It looks like right now our existing front that's moving through right now is going to steer it up to the north. If it does become a named system, which we think it will, it'll be the 15th named storm this weekend. So that puts us up at the O storm Oscar. So we will likely see our tropical cyclone or tropical storm Oscar form over the course of the weekend and then move on off over the cool waters of the Atlantic. So hopefully we can wrap up this tropical season soon, but we're still going to have to keep our eyes on it at least through the end of November.